Welcome again to Kids Bible Action Academy. Today let's discuss about the genetics. We discuss about what? Genetics. But my main focus today from genetics is about dominance. We are speaking about the dominance. And we have three sets of dominance. Number one, complete dominant, complete dominant, incomplete dominant, and codominance. From this point now, let's use a table format. Let's use the table format. We check about complete dominance, incomplete dominance, and codominance. What about this? What is the definition of complete dominance? We speak about one of the allele is dominant over the allele. One allele is dominant over other alleles. Right? What about incomplete? None of the allele is dominant over the other. What about codominance now? Codominant we speak about both of the allele express themselves equally. Here what happens? Both alleles express themselves equally. I'm using an example of a flower. We're using both red and white flower. We're speaking about what? Red and white flower. Yes, still we are using red and white flower. And here we are using still red and white flower. Right? From this point now, red and white flower. So you have parental genotype. Phenotype, sorry. Our parental phenotype is saying you have a red flower and you have white flower. That is number one. You have parental genotype. And our parental genotype, we will use that. Let's use R capital to represent red and R small to represent white. So you have red allele, let's say that dominant. Then you have the genetic cross. Let's use genetic cross for the peanut square. Then you have, we are saying we use small r to represent white. So you use R. You do the genotype, which will be R, another R, then you have small r and small r. Those are the gametes. You have the fusion line, that is the first circle. We do this with the second circle. Then we do this. And the last one. We do this. Right? This is what you get. You get R, small r, R capital small r, R capital small r, R capital small r. So, this one is F1 generation or genotype. And we are speaking about R capital was representing the white flowers. So it means red is dominant over the white. So what do we say here? F1 phenotype, all red. F1 genotype, genotype. All are. What's the meaning of this? We'll speak about if we planted, we pollinated, we cross-pollinated red and white, and you get one of a blended color, which is red, or maybe even if you can get white, that is a complete dominant. So it means red here is completely dominant over the white. And that is why, let's say we're using a pea plant, it means all the flower, the flowers turn to be red, indicating that red is more dominant over the white. I'm using the same flower, but now all incomplete. Let's do this. We do again parental phenotype. Parental phenotype. We get red flower. Parental genotype, white flower. We still explain using the same model. So we have parental genotype, which will be R capital to represent the red flower. Genetic cross. Then we have white flower. Let's go to genotypes. Not genotype, but gametes. The gametes. Our gametes here will be R, then you have W. We're not using W, but we're using what? Small r. We're using small what? Small r. We're using small r. Then you have the fusion lines. Those are the fusion lines, right? Fusion lines. That is it. So this one is about the fusion. F1 genotype. And our F1 genotype will be R capital. They will remain to be the same. They will remain to be the same. R capital, R small, R capital, R small. So you are F1 phenotype. This is where we take the language. And we speak about R capital and R small. We speak about, we have a different color, which is what? Pink. R capital, R small to represent all pink. So we are speaking what? All flowers, R capital, R small to represent pink. So we are speaking what? All pink flowers. Then we have F1 genotype. We are speaking here what? All R, which will be representing the pink color. Let's go to the codominance. Both of the alleles are expressed. So we'll speak about both of the alleles be what? You have red and white. Red and white. We get our F1 offspring being what? Red and white. Still you can do this. We speak about parental phenotype. And we speak about what? Red flower and white what? White flower. On this number 2, we speak about parental genotype. And this parental genotype will still R capital to represent red, and still genetic cross small r to represent white. Then we have the gametes R, then R. This is what we're speaking. You do the fusion. What we get is now, this one is fusion, right? You get R, still R, still R, still R. But this one is F1 genotype. So it means this equals to what? F1 genotype on red and white flowers. F1, this one is F1 genotype, sorry, phenotype. Phenotype. F1 genotype on I've used the same flowers, but at the end, our F1 offspring, all complete dominance, all pink flowers, incomplete dominance, all red and white, codominance. That is it. Thank you very much. Hope you have learned and you have understood something. You can subscribe, like. Thank you very much.